Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you 30 car gadgets on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Number 1, FM Transmitter Radio Adapter. Transform your car into a connected hub with the Nilaxi wireless in-car Bluetooth FM transmitter. Stream music from your smartphone, play audio from TF/SD cards, and charge devices simultaneously with the built-in USB charger. The 1.44-inch display ensures easy navigation, making your drive entertaining and hassle-free. Elevate your in-car experience with the Nilaxi KM18. Number 2, OMBAR Dash Cam. Capture every moment on the road with the OMBAR Dash Cam front and rear. Experience crystal clear 4K divided by 2K divided by 1080p plus 1080p resolution, day or night, through its WDR night vision technology. The 3.18-inch LCD screen allows easy playback, while G-sensor and loop recording ensure you never miss an incident. Stay connected with 5G Wi-Fi capabilities. Secure your drive with this feature-packed dash camera, your reliable witness on the road. SD card not included. Number 3, Parking Stopper for Garage Floor. Enhance your parking precision with our garage floor parking stoppers. This pack of 2 rubber blocks acts as reliable parking curbs, preventing your car wheels from overshooting. Measuring 21.6 inches by 5.9 inches by 3.9 inches, these stoppers not only safeguard your vehicle's bumpers but also protect garage walls. Say goodbye to accidental collisions and park confidently. Upgrade your parking experience with these durable and effective rubber parking aids. Number 4, Driving Force Racing Wheel. Immerse yourself in the thrill of racing with the Logitech G29 Driving Force Racing Wheel. Designed for PS5, PS4, PC, and Mac, this wheel delivers real force feedback, providing a realistic driving experience. The stainless steel paddle shifters and leather steering wheel cover enhance the feel of precision control. With floor pedals included, this gaming accessory takes your virtual racing to the next level. Elevate your gameplay and conquer the track with the Logitech G29. Number 5, Screen Protector Alignment. Preserve the pristine look of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y's center control touch screen with the Nestar Screen Protector. Crafted from tempered glass, this protector offers superior durability and clarity. The alignment kit ensures a perfect fit, and the super-fast self-adhesion makes installation a breeze. Say goodbye to bubbles, fingerprints, and scratches while enjoying seamless touch functionality. Elevate your Tesla experience with this reliable and stylish accessory, keeping your screen in top condition. Number 6, Awning for Camping. Unleash the all-top vehicle awning, a 6.6-foot by 8.2-foot rooftop retreat for your outdoor adventures. This weatherproof 4x4 side awning effortlessly pulls out to create a shady oasis, shielding you from the sun with UV 50+ protection. Ideal for camping and overlanding, it comes complete with hardware for easy installation on your roof rack. Elevate your outdoor experience with this versatile and durable awning, your go-to solution for on-the-go shade and comfort. Number 7, Jump Starter Box. Experience unstoppable power with the Gulu GP4000 Jump Starter Box. Boasting a staggering 4000 A peak, it effortlessly jump-starts all gas and up to 10.0L diesel engines. The super-safe 12V lithium technology ensures safety while the compact design makes it highly portable. It's not just a jump starter, with USB quick charge and Type-C port, it doubles as a portable power bank. Drive confidently knowing you have reliable backup power in the palm of your hand. Number 8, Optimus 3.0 GPS Tracker. Maximize security with the Optimus 3.0 GPS Tracker, a discreet guardian for your vehicles and assets. With a robust 1-month battery life, it offers prolonged tracking. The heavy-duty waterproof case and powerful magnets ensure secure attachment to any asset or vehicle. Stay in control, receive real-time updates, and enhance peace of mind. Invest in the Optimus 3.0 GPS Tracker for reliable, long-lasting tracking, providing an extra layer of protection for your valuable possessions. Number 9, Road Tubeless Tire Sealant Kit. Conquer off-road adventures confidently with the TireJect Off-Road Tubeless Tire Sealant Kit. This 4-tire value pack equips you with 40 ounces of powerful tire repair slime. Seal punctures, leaks, and prevent flat tires caused by thorns, nails, screws, and more. Easy to apply, this puncture tire sealer keeps you rolling by instantly fixing flat tires. Tackle the trails worry-free with TireJect, your go-to solution for on-the-go tire repair and prevention. Number 10. Cargo Liner Floor Mat. Elevate your vehicle's interior protection with the BDK MT785 Heavy-Duty Cargo Liner Floor Mat. This all-weather trunk shield offers durable HD rubber protection, safeguarding against spills, dirt, and more. Easily trimmable to fit any car, SUV, or sedan, it ensures a customized, sleek look. Embrace worry-free travels with this black cargo liner, a reliable companion for keeping your vehicle's cargo area in pristine condition against the elements of daily life. Number 11. Center Console Armrest Pillow. Upgrade your driving comfort with the Auto Center Console Armrest Pillow. Crafted from memory foam, this cushion provides optimal support for your arm during long drives. Featuring a cup holder and phone holder storage bag, it keeps your essentials within reach. Universally designed to fit most cars, it's a simple yet effective addition to enhance your driving experience. Say goodbye to discomfort and welcome a new level of relaxation with this practical and ergonomic car accessory. Number 12. Dualeco Trim Removal Tool Set. Effortlessly tackle automotive projects with the Dualeco Trim Removal Tool Set, a comprehensive 102-piece kit for every trim, panel, and door task. Crafted with precision, the plastic pry tools ensure damage-free removal. The set includes auto-clip pliers and fastener removers for added convenience. Take control of car terminal and stereo removal with specialized tools. Upgrade your DIY game with this all-in-one kit, making automotive projects smoother and more efficient. Number 13. Ceramic Coating for Cars. Experience the pinnacle of car detailing with ceramic coating. This 70 ml bottle delivers a powerful 10H graphene coating, providing over 10 years of long-lasting protection. Revel in the ultra-high gloss and shine, showcasing your car's brilliance. With an extremely hydrophobic formula, water beads off effortlessly, keeping your vehicle pristine. Elevate your car's appearance and shield it from the elements with this advanced ceramic coating, setting a new standard in automotive protection. Number 14. Strip Disc Stripping Wheel. Revolutionize surface preparation with the 6 packs of 4.5-inch by 7/8-inch strip discs. Tailored for angle grinders, these stripping wheels effortlessly clean and remove paint, coatings, rust, welds, and oxidation. The robust design ensures durability and efficiency in surface restoration. Upgrade your projects with this versatile set, achieving professional results while saving time and effort. Perfect for tackling a range of tasks, these strip discs are a must-have for any DIY or professional workspace. Number 15. MagSafe Car Mount. Elevate your driving experience with the MagSafe Car Mount. Designed for iPhone 15 Pro Plus Max, 14, 13, 12, and Mini with MagSafe cases, it ensures a secure, hands-free hold. The never-blocking feature keeps your view clear, and installation is a breeze. Stay connected effortlessly while on the road with this sleek and reliable magnetic phone holder. Leeson brings convenience and style to your driving journey. Number 16. Brake Caliper Compression. Effortlessly tackle brake maintenance with the EWK16 PCS Pneumatic Brake Caliper Compression Tool. This comprehensive kit simplifies brake piston retraction and caliper compression. Designed for efficiency, the pneumatic brake caliper tool ensures quick and precise results. With 16 pieces at your disposal, it's compatible with various vehicle models. Upgrade your brake service experience with this reliable and versatile pneumatic tool set from EWK. Number 17. Windshield Wiper Blades. Upgrade your visibility with a Mithson OEM quality 22-inch plus 21 premium all-seasons windshield wiper blades. Engineered for durability, stability, and quiet performance, this set of 2 blades ensures a clear view in all weather conditions. Crafted to OEM standards, they guarantee a precise fit and reliable performance. Upgrade your driving experience with these premium all-season wiper blades, providing safety and clarity on the road. Number 18, Car Seat Covers Full Set. Enhance your car's interior with the iRxune 5 PCS Car Seat Covers Full Set. Crafted from waterproof leather, these covers not only provide a sleek look but also protect your seats from spills and stains. Airbag compatibility ensures safety, while the universal fit makes them suitable for most cars. The black and red color scheme adds a touch of style to your vehicle's interior. Elevate your driving experience with these durable and stylish car seat covers, ensuring both protection and comfort. Number 19, Arsenal Builder Car Wash. Revolutionize your car care routine with the Chemical Guys HOL 169 16-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. This comprehensive set includes a foam cannon, bucket, and 6 16-ounce car care cleaning chemicals. Compatible with pressure washers, the kit provides everything you need for a thorough car wash. From exterior detailing to interior cleaning, this arsenal of products ensures a professional finish. Elevate your car detailing game with Chemical Guys HOL 169, making every wash an immersive and satisfying experience. Number 20, Wireless Car Charger. Experience the future of charging with the Wireless Car Charger by Boathlin. This 3-in-1 phone mount offers super fast charging, auto clamping, and a secure grip for your iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, XS, XR, and Samsung S23 Ultra, S22, S21, S20/S10 Plus, S9 Plus, Note 9. Streamline your drive with this innovative car accessory, ensuring convenience and efficiency for your mobile charging needs. Stay connected and charged on the go with Boathlin's cutting-edge technology. Number 21, Transmission Fluid Pump. Effortlessly handle automatic transmission fluid maintenance with the Firstinfo A1135QUS patented 10-liter ATF refill system. This dispenser and extractor ensures a smooth and clean ATF refill process. The 10-liter capacity allows for ample fluid handling, while the included 21 PCS Taiwan ATF filler adapters cater to various vehicles. Simplify your ATF maintenance with this patented system, ensuring precision and efficiency in every use. Upgrade your workshop with Firstinfo's quality and innovation in automotive tools. Number 22, Dash Cam Infrared Night Vision. Drive with confidence using the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam. This innovative device offers dual-channel 1080p front and inside cameras with infrared night vision, ensuring clear footage day or night. The 2.5K single front car accident dash camera provides high-resolution recording. With a 24-hour motion sensor parking mode and support for up to 256GB storage, you have comprehensive coverage and ample storage for your journeys. Upgrade your vehicle's safety with Vantrue N2 Pro for reliable and detailed recording in various driving scenarios. Number 23, Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Revitalize your vehicle's exterior with the Cerakote Registered Ceramic Trim Coat Kit, the ultimate plastic trim restorer. This ceramic coating offers a quick and lasting solution for black trim restoration, ensuring a like-new finish that withstands over 200 washes. Unlike traditional dressings, this is a true ceramic coating, providing long-lasting protection and a sleek appearance. Elevate your car care routine with Cerakote Registered and enjoy a revived, durable finish on your vehicle's trim that stands the test of time. Number 24, Car Cleaning Wipes. Conveniently tackle tough messes with Armor All Heavy-Duty Cleaning Wipes. This pack of 75 interior and exterior car cleaning wipes is designed for heavy-duty cleaning. Whether you're dealing with interior spills or exterior grime, these wipes provide a quick and effective solution. Keep your vehicle looking fresh and clean with the ease of Armor All Heavy-Duty Cleaning Wipes, your go-to solution for on-the-go cleaning and maintenance. Number 25, OMT Cargo Net for Pickup Truck. Secure your cargo with confidence using the OMT Cargo Net for Pickup Truck Beds. This 4x6 truck cargo netting and roof rack cargo net is compatible with popular truck brands like Ford, Ram, GMC, Toyota, Chevrolet, and more. Featuring handmade knots and 16 carabiners, it ensures a strong and reliable hold for your items. With a generous 8x12 max cargo netting size, OMT provides a dependable solution for keeping your belongings safe during transportation. Upgrade your hauling experience with OMT Cargo Net, designed for durability and convenience. Number 26. JKCOVER Compatible. Organize your Chevy Silverado/GMC Sierra or Chevy Suburban/Tahoe/GMC Yukon Center console with the JKCOVER Center Console Organizer Tray. Designed for models from 2014 to 2018 for Silverado/Sierra and 2015 to 2020 for Suburban/Tahoe/Yukon with full console and bucket seats, this tray provides a neat and accessible storage solution. Keep your essentials in order, whether it's keys, coins, or other small items. Elevate your interior organization with JKCOVER, ensuring convenience and tidiness in your vehicle. Number 27. Detachable Ice Scraper. Conquer winter with the Astro AI 27-inch snow brush and detachable ice scraper. This heavy-duty tool is designed for cars, trucks, and SUVs, featuring a robust combination of ABS and PVC materials for effective snow and ice removal. The ergonomic foam grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, making clearing your vehicle a breeze. Upgrade your winter toolkit with Astro AI, providing reliable and efficient snow and ice removal for a variety of vehicles. Number 28. Running Board Compatible. Enhance your Dodge Ram's functionality and aesthetics with the Tiger Auto Lander X running board. Compatible with the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500, 2010 to 2024 Ram 2500/3500, and 2019 to 2024 Classic models, this running board is designed specifically for crew cabs. The TGLX3D82348 model features a drop-step design, providing easy access to your vehicle while adding a stylish and functional touch. Elevate your truck with Tiger Auto, offering reliable and well-crafted accessories for a variety of automotive needs. Number 29. Operated Hydraulic Crimping. Effortlessly handle cable lugs with the hand-operated hydraulic crimping tool. This hydraulic crimper covers a versatile range from 12 AWG to 2/0 AWG, making it suitable for various wire terminal lug applications. The tool comes equipped with 9 pairs of dies, ensuring compatibility with different lug sizes. Simplify your cable crimping tasks with this efficient and reliable hand-operated hydraulic crimping tool, providing a secure and professional finish for your wire terminal connections. Number 30. Battery Terminal Clamp Connectors. Upgrade your battery connections with the Battery Terminal Clamp Connectors, a set of 2 quick-release disconnect terminals. Designed for SAE/JIS type of posts, these connectors offer a secure and efficient solution for your car, van, truck, and more. The 4-way design simplifies the installation process, providing flexibility for various applications. Ensure reliable and swift battery connections with these high-quality, quick-release battery terminal clamp connectors. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and interesting. All product purchase links in the description and comment box.